Good morning, class 1. Today I am going to teach you poem Vedaves. So please bring your book and open poem Vedaves. So children, in this poem we are going to understand and we are going to learn about the different types of Veda. So I am going to read the poem. Whatever the weather we have it each day, it's hot or it's cold, or it's sunny or grey, it's blowy or snowy or rainy or clear, there is some kind of weather each day of the year. Again, I am going to recite the poem. Whatever the weather we have it each day, it's hot or it's cold, or it's sunny or grey, it's blowy or snowy, or rainy or clear, there is some kind of weather each day of the year. So children, what it is saying? It is saying that there are different types of weather and each day of the year has a different type of weather. It means some day it is very hot, some day it's clear weather, some day it's blowy. Okay, so this poem it is saying that we have different types of weather each day of the year. हर दिन अलग अलग वेदर रहता है. ओके, सम डे इट्स सनी वेदर, सम डे इट इज क्लियर, सम डे there is a rain. Okay, so in this poem it is saying that each day of the year we have a different types of weather. Some day it's hot and some day it's cold, some day it's sunny or some day it's gray. Okay, means cloudy. Some day it's blowy. Blowy means windy. It's snowy, some day it's rainy and some day it is clear. So there is different kind of weather each day of the year. This poem is about the weather. Now I am going to show you what and how the different type of weather looks. So children, what are the different types of weather we have seen in this chapter, in this poem? Are hot, cold, sunny, grey, blowy, rainy, clear, and this is stormy. I will show you this weather also. Okay. Now this is hot, means the day in which we feel very hot. जब हमें गर्मी लगती है. You are getting this boy now. He is feeling very hot. Now this is cold. Cold month means जब हमें ठंडी लगती है. Like now it's winter season is going on now. In winter season we used to feel cold. Okay. This is sunny. Sunny means when there is light everywhere. When there is a bright day, that is called sunny weather. Blowy children. Blowy. Blowy. Blowy means जब बहुत जोर से हवा चलती है. That is called blowy. Or we can also say windy. Okay. This is grey, means cloudy. Okay. When there is dark everywhere, we say that grey weather or cloudy weather. This, you all know, this is rainy. Okay. When there is rain, this, you all know, this is rainy. Okay, when there is rain everywhere, this is called rainy. This is clear. Okay, this is clear weather. So children, this is snowy, means when it is full of snow. We say that snowy weather. Clear? Okay. And this is stormy. stormy. Stormy means जब बिजली कड़कती है. Okay, that is called stormy. When there is thundering, we say that stormy weather. Clear? So we have seen different types of weather. As now you have seen different types of weather, so now you can answer this worksheet very easily. So the first one is which weather? This is sunny. Second is rainy. Third is cloudy. No, there is cloud. Fourth is snowy. Fifth is windy or blowy. And the last one is stormy. Clear? Now this one is also very easy. The first one is cloudy. Second one is rainy. Third is snowy. Fourth is, what is the fourth one? Stormy. Fifth is sunny. And the last one is windy. I hope it is clear, children. So in this chapter we have understood about the different types of weather. Is it clear? I hope clear. Please go through this video nicely and try to understand the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.